everybody and welcome back to our channel. If our Roblox profile is public, anyone can see our games, friends, and info. So we can just go over and follow up this process if we want to change our profile visibility on Roblox, which should let us control we can view our profile and stay safe online. So you may launch your Roblox on your PC. I'm just gonna open it up in a browser. We may open it up on the application itself. And once we are headed over here, log in into our account and go to our settings. For that, you may just go over and click on this option of your profile or go to your settings, the gear icon, click on it. And once we are headed over there, select the option of settings and open it up. Now, once we open up our settings, what we need to do is we need to open up our privacy settings, which is this one right here, privacy and content restrictions. Click on it. And once we click on it, we have this section for visibility and private service. So select this option right here. And once we are headed over here, we have the section for visibility. We may click on it. And this is it. So here we have different options for visibility. We can select this option like who can see our online status. So if we want to hide it, we can select this option of no one. If you want to hide it, we can do so. Similarly, showing your current experience as well, everyone, connections and people you follow, etc. If you do not want to share your current experience, you can select this option of no one for this one as well. Another one we have is sharing activity updates. So if this option is enabled right here, what happens is usually it will allow friends to receive updates about your recent activity and experience. So we can just go over and choose the option that fits our preferences. We can turn on the toggle option or select this option of no one or even connections and people we follow. And once it is done, we can just go and save the changes directly. Usually just exiting changes usually applies automatically, so you do not need to do anything. Usually just by following up this method and controlling your visibility should make your Roblox profile visibility very updated and keeping the account very safe. So you can just go over and follow up these steps and that should probably work out for you. So we hope this video was helpful. Ensure to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.